I've had a couple of phone calls in the last couple of days. Here in Southwest Florida, it's been so hot. I mean, we've had heat indexes of 110, 106. I mean, even last night at 9 o'clock, the heat index here was 106, and the temperature was 88 degrees. And I had 2 or 3 people call me and say, oh my gosh, my AC's running, it's not working. So what I really want to do is take this opportunity to save the customers money so they don't call a AC service company out to try to find a problem with their cooling when there really isn't a problem, okay? A few factors you need to really understand is when you have a heat index or a temperature of 95, 100 degrees in some parts of the Southwest and the southern parts of the United States, and even up north during these hot summer times, your ACs are just not equipped to run at those temperatures 1 month out of the year, maybe 6 weeks out of the year, because they're designed for the 10 to 11 months of time out of the year, not these extreme cases. So what I tell the customers is these units are really not equipped to do more than 18 to 20 degrees difference between the outdoor temperature and what you got your thermostat set on. So let's just say it's 100 degrees outside, okay? And then you got, even on top of that, you got high humidity, okay? Well, that AC unit's gonna run, and if you're lucky, you might get it down to 80, but some of the things that you can do to help yourself would be to close your blinds, pull down your shades. How much insulation do you have? Insulation is one of the best things you can do for your home. A lot of people, insulation, they don't have R30, which is a minimal. You know, someplace you can put R40, R50. If you can go up in your attic and you can see your trusses, your rafters, as some of you might call it, if you can actually see the wood, you're undervalued on insulation. Insulation is the best money you can spend, and it'll last up to 30 years. Turn your AC down. I always tell people if your nighttime temperature is 73, for instance, or 70, whatever, start turning it down during the day on these hot conditions. Go ahead and spend that extra $10 or $15 a month or whatever it might be, and turn it within 2 degrees of your sleeping temperature. At least all day long it's running, it's pulling that humidity and it's dehumidifying, it's pulling everything out so you can be comfortable at night. And then about an hour or so before you go to bed, turn it on down to that temperature, okay? So hope these things will help you. I'm just gonna go over it once again. Pull your shades, close your blinds, turn your thermostat down, don't open and close the doors, turn your fans on to circulate the air, turn it down within 2 degrees of your nighttime temperature. Check your insulation. That's something you guys may need to do. I don't know if you need to do it now, but probably this fall or whenever you can, get that done. And as you notice, my own AC is running as we speak, because today it's already, the heat index is about 106 here in Southwest Florida. It's unbearable at times, but thank God for air conditioning. That's all I can say, all right? I hope this video is helpful. I'm trying to save you money. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you very much.